Welcome back, everyone. Hope you can hear me fine. Didn't stream for a while, I guess. Yeah, I kind of stopped the project order streams for now. Will not stream next week. And yeah, maybe later I will start with project order again. Last time I was had a little blockade and now more into Java stuff, as you might see. So we released version 0.2 last week, on Friday maybe, and then we saw this one. So someone made this with Javis. Just look and be amazed. Oh my god. And yeah, I do think that's pretty awesome. And we weren't aware of that, and just he linked us in his post, and we were quite amazed. So yeah, that was I think he done it in version 0.1. Whatever. But yeah, that functionality you can see what awesome stuff one can do with Javis. So yesterday I wrote a blog post about the new stuff in version 0.2. It's coming out tomorrow or now if you subscribe on Patreon. And yeah, today I want to have a look at some issues, maybe thinking about what to work on next. And but I will start with refactoring some morphing codes. To finish that one up, it will go to version 0.3. As it currently has some problems, but or like it will go to version 0.3 because it needs a new dependency, and then we need to increase the middle number. So yeah, this is one animation that works. I don't know whether I have. So there is one which currently fails, and I want to fix that and improve some other stuff. Oh, maybe it's on a different computer. Anyway, currently it doesn't work at all because I left this in. Oh, okay. I think we should. Oh, wait. Give me a second. I think I need to go to my laptop and upload or push the latest changes I already did. So how is everyone doing? How is life? Okay, so I'm pushing the new changes, and then hopefully you can do pull already. Live it's good, but oh my goodness. Okay, I pushed quite a bit too much. Master thesis stress, I assume. Oh yeah, that's not what I wanted. Too late. Whatever. Okay. So currently we have this shape type, which includes, for example, for the character 0, it includes two paths, one the outer one and the one the whole. And then we convert it at this point to polygons itself, so it gets split up into two. And I don't want to do that, so I want to do that a bit later. So basically, at this point, I still want to save everything to from shape to shapes, and points is then a shape as well. So yeah, basically I have to write a match num points for the whole shape. Oh yeah, eating is stressful. Yeah, your haptics exam. How much time do you have? 2 weeks or stuff like that? I have no clue about haptics, but I wish you good luck. So 2 weeks. From shape to shape. And I don't know how to call this. Normal problem. My normal problem, as always, is naming stuff. So yeah, basically what I want to do is prepare to interpolate is I have the two shapes. I assume that the holes are in the correct order already. I don't know whether I handled that before. And then I want to have that the same shapes or create new shapes that have the same number of points for the holes and for the outer polygon, and rotate it in such a way that it has the best fits. So if I have, for example, this, want to morph it into this, then it might be like this one has only 3 points, now only this one has 4 points. So I need to add points to this. And then I can rename this one to, maybe this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, and I might want to rename it to 1, 2, 3, 4. So rotate it a little bit. Okay. Then yeah. Okay, basically I don't want to have this one anymore. And this one is really? I hope that example wasn't too stupid. Okay. It's hard to guess whether you're joking or whether you're serious. I think Sounds good to me. Okay, prepare to interpolate, and then probably goes into a shape class. Oh, it's not really a class, but from shape to shape. And there we basically do what we just deleted, which maybe wasn't the smartest choice. Okay. So basically we have okay, thanks. I think the main point is that you were serious. Wait. What happened now? I wanted to have it back. Oh, I had one back. Okay. Anyway, so match number of points for outer polygon, match for holes, rotates outer polygon, rotates holes. Okay, so we basically have by the way, if there's new people in the chats, welcome to the stream. Feel free to ask questions. And yeah, we're currently trying to do some refactoring on a morphing function. So we have from maybe from outer to outer is like that was German. From shape points to shape points. Okay. And then we doing quite some overhead on memory. All those copies, I reckon, but from hole to hole. And yeah, just assume that they have the same number of holes for now. So even after that, there will be stuff to figure out. Okay. What is next? Okay, so now we have basically okay. And then push from holes from hole matched, and the same for 2. Okay. Now the next part. Why is this? Okay. I always hate it that I can't copy this. Compute shortest morphing distance. Okay, so rotate I, compute shortest morphing distance from outer to outer. And then okay, from outer is circ. What did I do? Okay. Circ shifts from outer. I think I can just do this, but let me check on that. So basically, this rotate I gives me the first index I want to have. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have starting with 3, circ, shift, A, B. Oh, yeah, that's the problem. Okay. Okay, this should work. Oh yeah, plus 1. Yeah, okay. Okay. Then we have new from shape is, how do I define them? Oh, I have this create shapes, right? Okay. Oh, but this one. Yeah. Right. Give me a second. Okay, so points and subpaths. Yes, and then angles and stuff. Okay. Which I don't really need, but it shouldn't matter. Okay, so this is quite wasteful. I get your points. Okay, and then from hole match to hole match. No, I just want to have this part. So from hole to hole. hopefully this one. And then shape from new from outer, new from holes to outer holes, to outer to holes. Okay. I hope this makes sense. Okay. I think also the order of this stuff is pretty stupid. Oh, I just see that someone commented on an issue. Let me quick. Oh, maybe it closed. What is ghost? Take up? Oh, no. He's called ghost. Because it's deleted. That's so weird. Never seen that before. Okay. So he deleted his accounts and then GitHub calls him ghost. Closes all the issues. Maybe. I don't know why. Maybe this issue is still relevant. That seems weird. Okay. Okay, so we are at this point. We definitely want to have some kind of test for this. And I think I will test with some code that I already have on my other machine. Yes. Looks good. Okay. So there you go. Yeah. Oh, workload revise. You probably want to revise as your friends. Okay, includes current transpose test. This will fail. I will not do a push of words. Just want to check where it fails. What's the next point that I have to do? And I have to fix the light in here. I mean, I have to block out the sun. I'm sorry. Much better. Okay. Yeah, so okay, so we want to have morphs. Okay, so we now have This should go to from shape to shape, of course. Structure is really bad. Yeah. Okay, so I want to go to. Still have this weird issue. Fix that. Oh, I have the structs now. Forgot about them. Okay. Yeah, so I know this is super stupid shit, but I think it will fix the things. Oh no. Yeah, in general, we try to have kind of a different structure of Javis in version 0.3 probably because it's breaking. Great, but I fixed this, right? Because there's not from pooling. Come on. Okay, and that is fine. Okay, and now we are in here. So basically, we now have number of shapes. So the general idea is that we can have a draw shape functionality, which handles all this madness of subpaths for the holes, and don't check every time whether it's clockwise or anti-clockwise. We have saved it once. So shapes, all that maybe. Yes. This is now kind of shape index counter iterator. So from shape to shape. So the points always save like the current points we want to draw, or like the interpolation shape basically. So yeah, this one is basically, sorry about that. For if there's one shape more on the start or the end, then we don't want to move it. We want to let it appear or disappear. Okay. Okay, so this one is a little bit more complicated. So basically, let's do the function interpolate shapes. I don't know. It's one shape twice. So let's call that from shape to shape and I. You will not have this one anymore. Maybe. Let's call this interpolation. Intershape. That one's quite a bit long. Okay. Okay, so this one is T. Interpolate shape. It's probably also a function here. Interpolate shape from to T. So outer is basically from points to okay, yeah. Basically, I want to have it into a shape. So into shape. Yeah, I was just thinking whether it has the correct number of points, but I think it should have. So new points is then basically inter shape points is new points. And then we do the same thing for the whole. For holes, we have for just the whole counter in 1 to lengths of from subpass hi dot points. Oh no, not dot points. Just like this. Okay, and then from subpass hi. Okay, how about that? It will still error. Hi. What the hell? Okay. Oh. What? This is a weird error. Really? Oh, I didn't know that it's like a name. Didn't know that it exists. Like, I thought you have to write this. That makes sense. It's just confused of the pi. Okay. So it will fail hopefully somewhere 370. Oh, yeah, that's also an error. We don't have this polygon stuffs anymore. We have this shape ones, which I actually don't want to use. Because we should have basically this. Yeah. Number of pastries. Yeah, okay. So this should somewhere else. So basically we want to have shape inter shape. We have draw action to it. So function draw shape draw action. Okay. So okay, basically I can write let's draw polygon. Okay, this is too complicated stuff. Okay, let's rewrite that. So basically, oh, 10? No, I'm currently not adding push-ups because I'm expecting the errors. Kind of. I know, it's kind of cheating. I think the idea is now to draw basically poly shape points and then we have draw action in there, and then we have for hi in 1 2 lengths of shape dot sub pass basically new sub pass I have to check again how this works. I have some looks and stuff open. Okay, so now is this one example, this one. Okay, so I draw. Oh, okay. I have to do this. So none of that. Then I have to do shape subpass hi. I don't know how to work with two of them. It's already reversed. And then I have if draw action okay, I don't really know, but if draw action equals stroke, then equals fill. Isn't this what do action does? I think it is. Do action stroke. Yeah, this is exactly do action. Okay. Nope. Which might mean that we don't need to draw a polygon function. But okay, next part is we have this opacity stuff. And now basically, okay, we have shape IDs. Yes, shapes. And then shapes is this. And then basically draw shape of shapes with draw action. And kind of doing the same thing here, I guess. Just that we have if not, but also not. Let's check this out. Oh my god, it's rendering. Oh my god, it's rendering. Okay, there are weird errors. Yeah, so definitely the 0 is the problem I try to fix. So somehow it draws only the inner part. And then there is this weird line there. I have no idea what that is. Okay. So 0. Okay, it's definitely one of the. Let's figure this out. I probably want to. Do I want to do? Oh, sorry. Want to go to 60, I guess, and only morph in one direction. And furthermore, I want to have so. Oh wait, I have like prints, basic prints. Shapes. I hope that works. I don't know. Shit. Prints and basic information. Okay, so we have. Oh, that appears for every. Yeah, I get that point. Let's arrow out. Okay, so we have 2 with 1 hole. That is expected. Okay. what happens if we do this? And then probably, yeah, that makes sense. But I want to have which can. It's confusing. So we set this is the pass is normal, but I can fix that as well. Oh, but what is our that was what? Oh yeah, makes sense. Oh, what? That didn't work before. Oh, so it was the. Oh, it was actually the pass issue. Okay, good to know. What do we have then? To check this again. There is definitely this line going. I have like no idea what that is. It's probably a crack in my display, right? No, okay. So there is a line which kind of fades in twice, and it only happens in the reverse parts. There's something else that is weird, or is it just this line? Okay. Let's figure out where this line appears. So if we don't let anything appear, yes. Do I do some weird stuff here in my actual code? It should all work well. Huh. Oh, yeah, okay. I think parts would be something else than none. Okay. Mm-hmm. If I don't have this, okay, still have. Okay, so it's probably not a whole. Okay. we have 5 in total. Okay, so we have 9. Okay, we have 9 elements. We have 4 minus signs is 13, and then we have 2 brackets is 15. Sounds good to me. You don't know what this means. Somehow disconnected to the 2. Oh, how about just assume that they are all close? Damn it. Okay. This is not the issue. Only happens for one of them. Weird. Okay. Change that just a little bit up. Okay, there's some weirdness going on. Where's the 2? Unfortunately, I don't know which 2 or which part that is. Does that fail? Probably not. Brackets. I can even do this, right? Which I normally hate. Oh, okay. It's the 2. It's the 2. It's the 2. It's okay. Also, I would like to render just that. That's not allowed. Which is stupid. Okay, so probably the easiest way is to mix those. Okay, and now remove none again. Now we have one. Okay. Okay. The question is still there. So has to be something to do with okay, anyway, we have print basic from shape to shape into shape. Let's break out now. Okay, so hi Augusto, how's it going? Give me a minute. So if you want to have a look as well, that's the link. So basically, it's an animation and visualization package built in Julia. I don't know whether you're familiar with the Julia programming language. First of all, thanks for joining. Yeah, so basically, do you know Manum, used by 3Blue1Brown for his math videos? This is basically trying to build something like that in Julia. So you try to build animations like this or something like this. Just make it easy to build animations in Julia for all kinds of stuff. So I started with it to build some educational videos. Got distracted quite a little bit, I would say. Yeah. Let me know if you have further questions. Okay, so we have 75 points, 74 points, and this is stupid. How did that happen? This is not good. Oh. Oh yeah. I like the 3Blue1Brown ones, but I don't like Manum. I had a look at it for bits, but yeah. So I don't like Python that much anymore. So I found out about Julia. But yeah. So what are you working on? Or what, first of all, what programming language are you using? And are you coding at all? I don't know. What brought you to the stream? I know I have too many questions. So okay, I want to have oh, what kind of operational research are you using? Are you doing? And what packages are you using? That was R. How do you like R, by the way? I'm not a huge fan. I only used it once or twice in university, but it didn't really dig it. Oh, I can't do this. That makes sense. Yeah, okay. So makes sense that you use jump. So I built a solver for mixed integer nonlinear programming in Julia. That's why because I normally do operations research as well. I'm switching a lot. Just wanted to try out some new stuff, I guess. Like, are you using linear programming or non-linear? Stuff like that. Oh, yeah. It's just this. I think this is where it was the push-up. So I was non-linear recently. Okay, yeah. So probably using IP opt, I guess. Okay. Okay, I think it needs. Okay, so okay, so this one has 75. So 2 outer has 75. And it don't change that. Why does it only have? This is weird. So in this one. Just print the number of points, not the simplified one. So where do I go from 75 to 75? That is super confusing. Okay, back to this one. So it has 75 points. I really don't get this. Both have 75 points. And then this one has 74. Where does this happen? Oh, wait. Okay. This is good. Because I changed the inputs. Okay, so are you using that for work or just as a hobby, Augusto? Okay, let's check. And then no. Okay. I thought I found the problem. Oh, I probably have found the problem. But I also have to use this. Compute info is false. Oh yeah, I understand it. That you like Julia. I like Julia as well. By the way, how did you if I may ask, how did you find the stream? Because if you are not coming from my blog, you might be interested in it. It has some blog posts. I have some blog posts, operations research, not so much on nonlinear. So I did program simplex solver. I have some parts on traveling salesman problem, and recently constraint solver, but that's probably not of much interest to you. By the way, did we fix this now? We fixed it. Perfect. Then let's go back to this one. Yes. Still have this in there. Let's see whether that works. That looks quite good to me. All right, I'm happy with that. We don't have any outputs anymore. Can we run the tests maybe? Probably. Yeah, I have quite a lot of GitHub repositories. So yeah, so I work on also, I don't know whether I sent you count there. So basically started with Juniper.jl. Like it's my first Julia package, and then did the constraint solver one, and now doing Javis. And constraint solver is a little bit waiting now. Like I have too much to do, and hopefully I can continue on that one later this year. And yeah, some of the blog posts are, so the earlier ones, the before 2017, or end of 2017 are Python, and then I switched over to Julia. Wow. Whoa. Oh, okay. Should actually do this here. Yeah. Oh yeah, wrote one blog post about Hungarian algorithm, which I use in code actually for matching, but yeah, I think I don't have any interesting one about nonlinear, like strictly nonlinear stuff. not mixed integer. I'm more in the mixed integer section of operations research. Okay, this is going on forward, I guess. This always takes too much time. So please ask questions in the chats, and I will be back in a couple of minutes. Get some, maybe you make some tea, and you can watch these wonderful animations. I can add a transposing animation to this at some point. I should. There are not too many of them at the moment, so I think I have 3 animations. Don't get bored. I'm back in a minute. Can you hear me? Okay. Okay. So we got somehow. This looks. This should be like high resolution, whatever. That's stupid. And yeah, feel free to just listen to me in the background. Check it and have fun at work. I probably do I have what I have channel. My audio seems like I have a good connection and I can see that my audio works fine. I had my I made some tea in the background. Maybe that confused Discord, but it seemed like oh. It seemed like the audio of Discord or the noise cancelling worked. But maybe that was the problem with cutting the audio. Hope it's better now. We have this help using Javis. We have a weird ground function. And okay. Okay. Let's go into the live view again. Color. All right. This is unexpected stuff. Okay, so what's happening here? Okay, so the problem seems to be that somehow I draw stuff which shouldn't get drawn. Okay. Oh, that's probably not what I want to do. What happened? really up. Okay. So it does get cool. And probably this one doesn't matter because we have only one of them. Okay. How many shapes do we have? We should have only one. Yes. Great. If we have only one shape, how can two be drawn? Or maybe we need something like this. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, it's good that we have this test cases. So otherwise we just add it to the path we already have, and then this thing can happen. But we had already. I'll probably just have the same arrow twice. So let's run the test cases again and see what we have. That's nice. Just won a chess game on time. Okay. Yeah. Question is, what do I do next? Because I wanted to work on this issue, combining actions in a layer. But I think what I actually want to do is to have, so currently, okay, let's maybe go to this one. Currently, we have this weird structure of defining a video, and then we have like only the Javis function and all the actions inside of it. And this drives me nuts. I want to have more like the jump style of doing things. So the jump style of doing things would be to have this and then have action. So maybe call this, I don't know. I think we just have one video and all is good. So basically have this and this goes to the action, and then we have render goes to the video, and then we have render video. And then for sub actions, we would have for sub actions, we would probably have sub action maybe have something like this in between. So Augusto is the audio fixed. And then, like probably, no, I'm probably more into this one. Perfect. Thanks. And then we have like this render one. And then we can also have like appear sub is sub action 1, 2, 5 of appear fades, for example, and then we can add it to different actions. And then for the layer, we would have something like this, and then have layer draw circle, and then that's added to the layer. I don't know whether I'm a huge fan of this plus variant. To be honest. And maybe it's also not too bad. You can of course have ads layer. And it's I would call it ads, and then the plus sign works fine, I guess. So yeah, basically this one worked out fine. Just want to. Okay, yeah, we delete all of them. That's good. Morphing with shapes. All with shapes. And then doesn't matter anyway. It's just the test file. But yeah, so that will be a breaking change though. I saved it right. I can't remember. Yeah, so that will be breaking. But maybe we just kind of fast release version 0.3 and go with this breaking change as early as possible. Not have too many releases in between. Should ask the code developer. What he thinks. Circle. Okay, we push this. Oh, there are some other changes I wanted to do. So this just looks so yeah, I probably want to wait for the code coverage stuff because I think I can remove some methods. Just wanted to be sure about that. And then I want to create like a version 0.3. So master. And then transpose this. Okay. That merge. Okay. Accept those changes. Okay, so morphing with several shapes. Okay. Accept current shape. Accept current shape. Cairo. Income change, I guess. What is that? Okay. Afterwards, accept incoming change. Okay. What about this? Current change. I don't need any of this because there's no change. Okay. Probably want to accept the current change for all. And hopefully not breaking. Wow. This. Okay. Let's go to the next one. We have I think that should work fine. What's next? Yes, at this place. I just want to add them, but I don't know. Okay. I think I want to start from scratch for this one. Oh, and I also want to push version 0.3, the branch. But yeah. Where will layout? Maybe this is Okay. Oh my god, I have low disk space. This is not good. Ignore. Okay. Because all of this is recorded to disk as well. So give me a second. Okay. What can I move? Can probably move some other streams over. To a different disk. Oh, perfect. And I can commit this. Okay. So let's just move. Why do I stream twice on that day? Okay, so while this is running, I can push that part and check out version 0.3. Push that as well. Okay. I should have some. Okay, I think I have enough disk space for now. What do I want to do? Okay. So because that one, the layer one, so the question is, what do I work on now? Any ideas from the audience? Do we have some? Okay, I have one for that. This is not. I mean, I can do some of the Hacktoberfest ones, but that's kind of not the idea. Oh, we could create a logo. Who is up for creating a logo for Javis right now? How does that sound like? It's just a problem that I'm too bad at creating stuff like that. Okay, so I was thinking about stuff like this. Or projector. Clapper boards. That's the correct name of that. And then some, maybe just the letter J and some kind of form on top of that. It will not look good on dark backgrounds. It's just dark anyway. Something like that. Is there some possibility to have a J in that? Not really, I guess. Hard to be creative on the spot. Huh. Yeah, I don't know. I think I still have to think about all that more. What do we have? Oh, maybe I can use some. Oh my god. Just got an email that the run failed. Okay, starting again. But maybe I have a problem. So all the latex stuff should be cached. But I think it's not cached. This is problematic. Okay. Oh, I'm in the wrong one. Okay, but it's not cached. Okay, which one is not cached? Kind of alpha. Okay. Transposing a matrix. Let's go to our test file. These two functions are always good. Okay. Unfortunately, pre-compiling Javis takes quite a while, so we might need to wait for a bit. But yeah, let's do let's do let's have a zip first. Let's do macros. Macros don't have to be strictly private. So the general idea is currently we need to write this weird arc stuff, and that's pretty confusing. So whenever we have like not a function for that, we probably just want to have this included in the macro. Should make everything much easier. And yeah, I think this one is nuts. Oh, yes, LaTeX strips. But let's fix this one first. Okay, here we go. Just check that this works as expected. And that's solving. Perfect. Now LaTeX, no, Javis.LaTeX SVG. And we are this one. So again, equation alpha. Why do I have several alpha? But I think I want to have. Oh, I want to. Okay, so yeah, sorry, I didn't explain the general point. I think in general we need to have this. Everything we use in the test cases needs to be cached because the program to convert this to LaTeX or to SVG is not supported. Well, I haven't installed it inside GitHub Actions. There is probably a way to do it, but sorry, whoops. What is? Oh, because I overwrote. What's the problem when using revise? Sometimes it's too smart. Or it's not what you want to do. Oh, okay. I need to run this again. Okay. Why is this not there yet? What is the problem? I wanted to have this form alpha. Yeah, this one transposed. Otherwise, this not here. What is the damn problem? Sorry about that. This can be fixed now. And yeah, arrow equals push up. I have to do 10. Let's do 10 now. Okay. Back in a Okay, I'm back. And it's still recompiling. Wonderful, wonderful. I have at least that it's working now. So, what is the chat doing? How is everybody doing today? Okay. Oh. Let me check. Oh, it's already there. Okay, I think that's done in the first step. So begin. And then we have our alpha one. And then we have our okay. Edit LaTeX. That's all right. Hope you're making progress with your. This should at least. Oh, comma. Okay. All right. Then we go to this one. Yeah, I don't think that this is a break. I mean, this one is breaking, was having this. Yeah. But I think first point would be to just support the macro action, and one can do whatever one wishes. So let's go to master then, and probably start all over again. Okay, then let's have like a macro.jl using Javis. Current macro. Okay, pre-compiling Javis starts. Okay. And then we can do video 600, and we can have actions, and let's have background. Oh yeah, by the way, typing grounds for the hundreds of actions. I think it will be a great idea to just have like a Javis ground function. We should not call it grounds. We call it ground everywhere, and then it breaks. But yeah, such that we don't have to write function ground and then backgrounds black, set you white, and stuff like that every time, because that is quite stupid. Macro text action 1 to 100. I don't know. Circle. That should work. Maybe let's do this first. Not moving anything at all. Boring animation, as boring as it can get. Still, even after pre-compilation. Run. Takes a while. Okay. Oh. Damn it. Macro. Okay. Perfect. That works. But this one does not work. Because that is not defined. Curve. So let's go to here and have like a little macro section. Action macros. So macro action, which takes in frames, What is like the most basic? Frames function. Yeah, I can actually do this. Okay. Give me just a second. Okay. Okay, so actually this one should not be a function. And then, okay, and then macros. Okay, so dollar frames. Oh, not call it args. We have that already. Function. And then, oh, dollar func, dollar args, and dollar quark. Well, that works. But let's find out. Oh, we have macros can't accept keyword arguments. What is that? Okay. This confuses. So if there's someone in the chat who knows anything about Julia, especially meta programming, hopefully can help me out. Do macros not accept keyword arguments? Anyway, let's do it without keywords. Oh, and need to export. This works fine. So maybe I don't need like later when everything works like this. This is why. But it seems like they can't. Okay, so next one would be can I do shoulds, right? Wait, no, I think I don't want to. I think I just want to. Okay, so okay, this is some kind of weird pressure. Maybe I need to do this. Okay. I think, oh, I did push-ups, right? But now I have to do 2 more. Okay. So, where do we start? We are somewhere in there. Then we go to here. Okay. Let's make this a real function. Just like this. And here. And oh, I don't know. This will error. Okay. Okay. This is weird. Why do I not get there? Wait. Why did I just change the funk? Stuff? Hmm. This confuses me. Okay, so why is this true? Okay. Oh, still go into this. Ah, that makes sense. Let me just say this is kind of. Before I just say this is kind of a function, but now it's kind of like not a function. So this should be unit range symbol or rel. Now that works. Okay. Yes. Move it. Move it. Okay. From your perspective, it's moving to the different sides. But okay. Whatever. This works quite nice. Let's just. How do I? Okay. It's really not what I want. Revert. And Yeah, I just saw your comment. But it's not there for long. I just wanted to check something. Okay. Yeah, it's a white dwarf. And okay, so it seems like they can't have keyword arguments, limitations of macros, because I don't understand macros. Okay, but maybe, okay, let's try something. So can I do this? Oh my god. No, I have to do this. No. Okay. Get the points. Okay. Somehow get the idea now that macros are just, well, the user can do whatever they want with it. Okay. Yeah, so I think there might be an when I do should be just part of arcs, right? So sub actions. One, two, five. Appear fix. Okay. Valid syntax. What do you mean by into production? So Pluto basically just saved, or you can just save the Julia file, right? And then you can use that wherever you want. Oh, you want to share it with people, like on the Pluto server, kind of. I think there is something like that. Oh. Okay. Whatever. You discovered Pluto yesterday, or Pluto? Yeah, so they do it with my binder. But so maybe you can just have I don't know what happens if I do. I don't know my binder, so I'm just. Huh, okay. Yeah, maybe you can just have a GitHub repository and then use this URL and share it. That's probably the easiest way to do it, I would assume. Now this is more specific than this one. What is the like really? Do I not call this one at all anymore? I get your point. Okay. Oh, yeah. Forgot how to. Oh, I never knew. Oh, this is so bad. Okay. More problematic than I hoped. Okay. Oh. Okay. So how do I figure out whether the frame is defined now or not? Hmm. Okay, so I basically need to Great. Oh man, I'm a little bit tired. I think we need to okay. Oh, printed. I get your points. Okay, so I basically need to check. Okay. Can I do yeah. This is okay, so if that's a code note, okay. So I can check whether it's okay. I think I will do that another day though. How is this one going? Doing good. Yes. No, no, it's in here. Okay, so well, um, with mouse issue. Try merge polygons is not called. Draw polygon. Yeah, I think draw polygon is not needed. This okay. Anyway, thanks for joining, everyone. I'm too tired to continue, but next up will be the macro one, I guess. And maybe discussing more whether we directly to version 0.3. Anyway, thanks everybody for watching. Special thanks, as always, goes to my patrons over on Patreon. Also check out my blog, opensource.as, which is in English and not in Spanish. So you will be able to understand that if you are able to understand me now. So see you in the next one. And yes, I will take a nap. But let's have a look at this first. It's so funky. And the end is loading. All right.